Can you hear this? Because if you can, alhamdulillah, you're still alive. We're still alive. Just came back from confirming a death of a patient, and that entailed of listening to the carotid, the heart sounds, the chest expansion, and of course when listening to the chest, all I can hear is nothing. It's like listening to the air circulate a cave. No heart sounds. This is just a gentle reminder to myself and to everyone out there that our destination is ultimately returning back to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And what is really important today is that we fear Allah, we hope in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala at a balance, and that we find our purpose in life ultimately to worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. My beloved brothers and sisters, everywhere, including Tahamnats, who are botting, robbing people, acting big. When we die, our chest echoes, no heartbeat, and you can't get your heartbeat back. So don't act big. None of us are big. Quit the charades. Play nice. Focus on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Focus on the Quran. And I wish you all well.